Hi from Macking Domain, and we are back again for another episode of product previews. And this is Yopti with me, and I'm Tu.
Hi.
So today I see we have the AJA HELO.
Yes.
Can you elaborate exactly what does the HELO do?
AJA HELO is one of the most popular product right now in the AJA range. So it is a streaming device. It streams H.264 non-stop. We can even stream up to like 36 hours tested. So most of the product, when you stream such a long duration, right, it will off-sync, it will have all kinds of other issues, but this is fine. This is very good.
So when you say streaming, I assume you mean like to social media platforms, to YouTube, or are there any other possible channels that you can stream to?
Oh, we have people who come to us that they want to do streaming. We also can do a direct connection.
I see.
The direct connection means that I can do a RTSP. RTSP means that I do a broadcast here, and someone who has the username and password can actually log in and pull. So the stream is actually from this device, and it's not going to be at YouTube or Facebook or CDN, because some of the informations are very sensitive.
I see.
So it is not for public, it's actually for individual use. So that is how we use this.
I see. So how is this better than, say, streaming straight from a laptop, from a software encoder?
Okay, usually when you want to use a software or a laptop or things like that, you must get the right specs. If you don't get the right specs over a period of time, then your computer will heat up. When your computer get heat up, then that is where the problems start to happen, like your GPU heat up, your CPU heat up, or sometimes your computer go into like a saving mode and things like that. Those are the things that will cause trouble. Whereas this device, it doesn't. It's just built for streaming.
I see. So are there any additional features on this device apart from just streaming?
Okay, we have a few case study from AJA. Of course, we uses this a lot. We have used this for Astro projects when streaming started way, I think, few years back. So we have done for the broadcast, we did like 4 channels to 8 channels kind of streaming at one go. Usually when you talk about 4 to 8 channels at one go, that means that you need to have multiple computers to stream. Right? So it become a big problem where this we can actually stream for one channel.
Right.
Yeah.
So I see you can put a USB stick or maybe even an SD card. What would that be for?
You see, this is actually, maybe I just explain. If you look at here, we have a recording, means that you can record. When you press a button here, you can actually record. Record to where? You actually can record to the USB, or you can record to the SD card.
I see.
So the stream is actually, this is where you stream, you broadcast your video to CDN, YouTube, or Facebook, or any other CDN. So the USB configuration is actually for you to configure where do you want to stream to. It's actually a web browser.
I see.
Okay, and then there's a power source. And you can see here we also have, like, this is connected to the power. The LAN, this is where you connect to your internet.
Right.
So when it's connecting to your network, you can actually browse in to check out our IP address. Then you can do your configuration there. And then you have HDMI out. That means that you can do a HDMI in source, and then at the same time you can look out as another monitoring.
I see.
Same goes with the SDI in and SDI out. These are very, very cool features. A lot of people don't have this feature. So when you don't have this feature, you can't really see the image. And we have audio in and audio out as well. This audio in is a 3.5 inch audio.
3.5 millimeter, I think.
Yeah. So this is a mini jack, audio jack. So you can actually put in your audio in here and audio out.
I see.
By hearing it, so you can monitor. Yeah.
All well and good. So how much would it cost?
It's about 6,130 ringgit,
Right.
inclusive of the SST tax.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. So for this unit, it is also one of our available stocks at Macking Domain, I believe.
Yes.
And for any further inquiries, feel free to reach out to us.
Yeah.
And I suppose we are very willing to do any demos that you would like as well, right?
We have a few clients come to us,
Mm.
just legend, and they say, "Wow, 6,000 over ringgit is very expensive." I say, "Okay, now mind." They say, "Can you rent it to us for like 1 or 2 days and test it out?"
Mm-hmm.
So we have a clients who actually test it out on the Sepang project that they stream like almost like long hours. After they try our product, they decided to just pack the previous product that they have, because the previous product that they have actually giving them a lot of lip sync problem because it's an overheating issue, which I explained earlier. Yeah.
Alright, so feel free to reach out to us if you have any more questions, and we'll be very happy to answer them. So I guess we'll see you in the next episode then. Bye.
Bye.